Hello everyone, it's me Stuti to welcome each one of our dear friends watching us here on our channel North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. Thank you so very much for your continual support, all your likes and your lovely comments. We appreciate it from the bottom of our hearts. We are doing good and do hope and wish and pray the same for you. Friends, today I'm going to talk about a very important thing in our life. Something without which we cannot survive. Come on, think, what am I going to talk today? Okay, I'm not going to keep the suspense any more longer. I'm going to come straight to the point. Today we're going to talk about water. Since our childhood, we are learning that we have to drink 8 glasses of water minimum in a day, isn't it? From our home, in our textbook, at school, from the elders, everybody said we have to drink water, otherwise we'll fall sick. And it's true, what our elders say and what we read in our books is true, that we need to drink minimum 8 glasses of water, and it may vary depending on a person's health, person's physical schedule, the activities that he or she might be involved into, or the type of climatic condition, the country, the situation that the person lives. So water is so very important in our lives. We can live without food for a couple of days, but my dear friends, without water we cannot survive. But tragedy is, many people fall sick due to drinking water. Yes, due to drinking water. Which type of water? Contaminated water, impure water. You know, my dear friends, water is transparent. We have learned all the properties of water in our schooling time. From our middle school or primary level, we have studied all this, right? Water is colorless or odorless, shapeless, blah blah blah, it goes on, right? Water might have impurities, it might have dust in it, it might have microorganisms in that, meaning virus, germs, bacteria, fungus, different type of things. Many impurities we can see from our eyes, and most of them we are actually not able to see with our naked eyes. And the most commonly waterborne sickness is cholera. And it has taken millions of people's life if we go back to our history. So it's very important for us to have a potable water. Now, how can we get clean drinking potable water? Yes, traditional times we've been boiling the water. We put some potassium permanganate into that, right? We filter the water. I also used to boil water. And it's been 8 to 9 years that we are here in Kerala. And Kerala water is very, very soft. One of the most important thing that I love about Kerala is its sweet, soft water. So simply boil the water and it will be fine, because over here every houses we have a well, and well water is very clean and nice. So directly from underground water you can just boil it and drink, but me personally, I don't like the taste of boiling water, so I'll cool it down and then drink. After that also I was not that very satisfied with the taste of the water. So I told Satish, honey, let's go and buy one water purifier. So he said, okay, fine, let's go. Because when we boil the water also, actually after boiling the water, we should again filter it and put some potassium permanganate into that to remove all the more impurities. I know when we boil the water, it is at 100 degrees Celsius and all the germs and bacteria are killed, but still there might be some remnants of impurities in the water. That's why it's good that after boiling we put some potassium permanganate into that and then filter it, and then it is perfectly safe for us to drink. So, and second demerit of boiling the water, it requires a lot of time. You are using so much of your gas, and nowadays gas is so very expensive, right? So we thought, okay, let's go and save our time as well as our money spending on the gas. Let's go and buy a water filter. Then we went to a nice a chain of branded home appliances shop. We went and we zeroed down to Aquasure from AquaGuard, Prime UV plus UF. So I'm here today to give you the user review about this product. It's been more than a year that we have been using this, and I'm very happy and satisfied with this product. Those of you who are living in places where you have soft water, I say that this is perfectly fine. It not only purifies drinking water, it also makes the taste of the water very soft and sweet. Believe me, I mean, you can go and check out any mineral water bottle outside, and then you come home and then you have a glass of water from this, you will find the difference. So in my mom's home also we are having AquaGuard. There of course the water is little bit on a hard side. So there also my parents are using AquaGuard for so many years, and they are very happy and satisfied with the the product of AquaGuard. And I would just say that just you can close your eyes and go and buy this product, because we've been using for 1 year and even the customer care service is really good. Please, one important thing, don't give a phone call to the shop from where you have purchased it, because they will again ask you to go to the AquaGuard helpline number. So the helpline number is over here, and even in the box in which you have bought it, even over there it will be there. If you want a change or any queries, any these things, you need to wait for at least 48 hours, and then the people from the company come and they do the work perfectly fine. If it is in a warranty period, there's any trouble for anything dysfunctioning, they will be doing it free of cost. And up till now we did not had any trouble, by God's grace. So our experience with this water filter is A1, and you can just go and buy for it, because it comes under AquaGuard, which is called as Panika Doctor, right? We've been seeing the advertisement in the TV, and it really stands true to its word. So it's good to have a water purifier so that you can have a clean potable drinking water for you as well as for your family, and you can keep sickness at bay. Friends, I would also say something very good thing about one more good thing that I find it. It's a very user-friendly product, right? We don't need to wait so long or lot many procedures, nothing as such. Once the purifier is installed in your home, simply plug in, okay, switch it on, and you will find a red light. That means the power is coming. Okay, and you don't need to do anything, because this particular wire, white color wire which I am holding right now, is connected to your faucet over here. See, they have connected over here, right? So you don't need to keep this faucet on or anything, and the water goes from here into the machine, and now as you can see, it has turned green. That means now the water is getting nicely purified. The water is nicely getting purified. It has 2 candles inside of it, which is doing the work of purifying the water. And we are 4 of us, and this much they have the storage capacity is perfectly fine with us. When it comes to half, I always switch it on, because in case if the power goes and we are in need of water, then it will be a little difficult. Then the water will get purified, and once this button turns into orange, that means the filtration process is completed and you can turn off from the socket. Simple. Switch it off. So very simple. You don't need to have any dirty water coming, and then we need to keep a bucket underneath to collect all the impure water, then go and pour it in the plants or use it in the bathroom. Nothing as such. There's zero wastage. It works perfectly well. Switch on and switch off, that's it. And only need to keep in mind, when it turns orange over here, that means the filtration process is completed. So it's so very user friendly, and you just can switch it on and leave it, and you can continue with your other work, right? No beep beep sound, no extra water collecting, nothing as such. So that is one thing I liked it so much, that it is so user friendly. And from our channel North Meets South, we highly recommend our wonderful product of Aquasure. See now, my dear friends, this has turned to orange, And our water filtration process is completed and we can turn it off. Simple. Safe to drink and sweet to taste. Okay, so I hope this short vlog would help each one of you, those who are planning to buy a water filter, and I urge you all to always have clean drinking water for you as well as for your family. Protect each one of you from the sickness and infections. Okay, so let me sign off, and if you haven't subscribed our channel, request you to please go and subscribe our channel, hit on the like button, share our videos to your friends and to your relatives, and help us to grow our channel big. Thank you so much for watching us, and if you have missed out any of our exciting vlogs, please go and check them all. Okay, so it's me Stuti signing off from our channel North Meets South by Satish and Stuti. Stay at home, stay blessed. Sayonara.